With this update comes a new reworked distance biome, asset browser support, rocks, cliffs, and a new demo file. With the new distance biome, you can now mask areas where you want to spawn trees, dead trees, or bushes to break up the endless forest. So let me show you how you can achieve that. First, add the geometry nodes modifier, then choose the distance tree biome, then create a mask to define where everything goes. It's called PSC biomes. It's important, it's called exactly like that. Then switch to the vertex color mode and enable the use vertex mask. Also, if it runs not good while the trees are there, you need to disable the overlays, which will help the performance by a lot. Then choose the red color. That's what I like to do, and fill everything so you have all the trees back. And now you can paint, for example, blue for the dead trees, or green for the bushes. And of course, the option to remove everything with black. As well as now you can mix things a little bit up. So you have no tree spawning in the meadow, but if you like to blend it a little bit better, you can now increase the vertex mask mix, and you can see some trees are still spawning here and here as well. And with that, you have a nice background mountain for your renders. Now, if you want, you can add clouds, cliffs, and an HAI. You're going to have a beautiful landscape render just with the distance biome. The next addition are rocks and cliffs. You have seen them on a lot of the preview renders already, and in the EV scene there were already some of them included, but I thought it would be great to have them supported directly in the presets, as well as in the asset browser. This is simple terrain setup with all the biomes, and you can see the rocks are already spawning here by default. You can increase the scale and density of all the rocks in each biome. If you increase it in the forest biome, it will remove the trees surrounding it, like that. So there's not big intersection happening. Also, all the rocks in the biomes are grouped. They're the bigger rocks, and they're surrounded by smaller ones. So if I increase the scale of the big rock a little bit, you can probably see it better. And if I limit the grouping, they're only spawning next to the bigger rocks. And if I put less, some of them will still spawn somewhere else. The big cliffs are not scattered via the presets. You have to drag them out of the asset browser, like so, and place them wherever you want. You can scale them quite large and they're still going to work well and create interesting surroundings with those. There are different cliffs you can choose from. And like that, you can have cool looking environments with rocks now. With the rocks and cliffs, there comes also a preview scene where I took the renders for the update. You can jump in there and check out the camera positions. Last but not least, I'm very honored that the folks from the Geo-Scatter Addon have created an official scat pack with 14 biomes for Geo-Scatter with the asset out of dynamic pine biomes, which you can find together with the other files called pairs pines Geo-Scatter Biomes.scatpack. If you have any renders made with the add-on, please send me a message. I'm always happy and curious to check it out. And I can't wait to see what you create next with the updated add-on.